Good afternoon, all. Our guest has joined, so let's start the program for today. A very pleasant good afternoon to all of you, and welcome to today's faculty development program on the role of IoT in renewable energy system, which is organized by Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering, SIRT Bhopal. So I welcome Vivek sir. Please welcome to Abhishek Narayan Tripathi sir. I again welcome Abhishek sir. Here is a brief introduction about Abhishek Tripathi sir received his BTech degree in Electronic and Communication Engineering from the RJPV Bhopal and also did MTech JP Noida Institute Microelectronics and Embedded System. Sir had received his PhD degree in NIT Bhopal and also he is working in NIT Raipur. Sir, recently sir is working in Chhattisgarh OP Jindal University. Welcome you sir on behalf of ES department. So, not making taking much time, please sir proceed the session. Thank you sir.
Sir, welcome you in this FDP. Hello, Abhishek sir, are you getting my voice? Abhishek sir, you are not audible. अभिषेक सर शायद दो उससे कनेक्ट हुए होंगे दोनों को कनेक्ट
Sir, we didn't getting your voice.
दो उसमें से हुए होंगे
Am I audible now?
Little bit, sir, little bit voice.
Hello, am I audible now?
Yeah, sir.
Okay.
Hello Abhishek sir, welcome you in this FDP. I am audible.
Yes. You are audible, sir.
Okay sir, thank you very much sir for coming in this FDP. It is great pleasure for our institute that you have joined us for this FDP. Thank you sir. Welcome.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Vivek, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, over to you, sir.
I'm good. I'm good, ma'am. So I think it's already 1:13, so we should start the session now. So, ma'am, please allow me to share my screen. Hello. Hello. Ma'am, please allow to share.
Yes, sir. Sir, आप audible हैं?
Yeah. You're also audible. Please allow me to share my screen so that I can start. Actually, I'm sharing my PPTs with laptop, and I have joined the my audio with my mobile phone because there is some problem, I guess. So, Okay. Now I've got the option. Okay, I think my screen is visible to all of you. So very good afternoon to all of you. In this session, I am going to discuss the basics of IoT and fundamentals, and what is the role of IoT in energy monitoring actually. So we know this term IoT and AIML is very fascinating in these days. So any fascinating term is there, then there is a lot of research behind that term. The lot of work uh, is going on behind that IoT and AIML also. And with the advancement of the AI algorithms, machine learning algorithms, deep learning algorithms, IoT is gaining more power in different aspects. And one aspect is energy monitoring. And in this session, I'm going to cover some fundamentals of IoTs. What is the basic architecture, domains, and devices? What is the IoT platform? And then I'll discuss some applications where we'll see how the IoT-enabled devices uh, can helpful to monitor the energy, and ultimately the complete energy management system would be optimized. And so these are the basic outlines of this lecture. Now, before moving to the introduction, from the research point of view, we should know what are the current challenges in IoT. So these are the some renowned journals you all may refer for these IoT challenges. What are the current issues? And actually, the research progress happened just uh, on the basis of the current challenges. So you to refer the different challenges and to progress your research or study, you can refer these journals: IEEE Internet of Things journal, IEEE Transactions on Industry Application, Elsevier Internet of Things, Wireless Communication, and Transactions on Wireless Communications. So you may refer these journals to identify the current challenges. So let's begin the introduction of this IoT. So if we see the Internet of Things, so it is not new actually. It was this term was coined earlier back in 1999 actually by this person Kevin Ashton, and it was actually not intentionally. It was just to create impression to the management people. He was working in some group, and there was a problem in supply chain model. So to impress their management team, he invented this term Internet of Things. So basically, if we see the definition of the IoT, so the basic definition is we can derive from the word itself, Internet of Things. So things are connected through Internet. So we can say that is Internet of Things. But if we see the definitions in terms of devices or automation, so it is the using the internet to empower computers to sense the world for themselves. So this is quite amazing because there is no term which reflects the human intervention. So there is automation, and we are empowering the computers to sense the world for themselves. So there is no interference of humans, you can see. So the all the process, all the systems are automated. So this is the first outcome of this definition. And initially it was to promote the RFID technology. We already know that we use this RFID tag system to in the shopping malls, in the library. So everywhere we use this RFID technology system. So it was to promote RFID technology, RFID reader actually. So and if we see the second definition, the current scenario. So you can see in the second definition we have sensors, actuators, And if we actuators and sensors are embedded in a physical objects, and those physical objects are linked through wired and wireless networks, that will be your Internet of Things. And similarly, if we see the another definition, that is actually uh, accessing and controlling daily usable equipment and devices using internet. So one of the application of this IoT we see in these days is the home automation. So these home appliances can be controlled and accessed through internet. So that is the outcome of this definition 3. So you can see that the IoT is, you cannot define IoT in a single definition. From the application point of view, the definition varies. And technically, we have sensors, actuators, electronic equipment, and wireless connection. So it defines basically the architecture of IoT. Then we have the another definitions like everything embedded with electronics, software, and sensors to internet, enabling to collect and exchange data without human interaction. So now this is the somewhat the complete definition, because earlier there was so many technologies like machine to machine communication. So there was a little bit human interaction, and then that was only for two devices, between two devices. And the IoT is somewhat bigger domain, bigger spectrum. Another definition is which is define its architecture, and which we'll cover in this lecture. So it is an advanced automation and analytics system which deals with artificial intelligence, sensor, networking, electronic, and cloud messaging. So you can see that we have the different terms. Artificial intelligence, yes, there will be some artificial intelligence, there will be some sensors. Then they have to send the messages over some network. So there will be some networking. Then it all will be done using some controller, some processor, some electronic circuit will be there. And then cloud messaging. So we have to store some data. We have to store these data somewhere. So basically it will be stored in a cloud platform. So there will be some cloud messaging. So it defines the architecture of this IoT. If we see these how the devices are connected, if we take the one example of home appliances, then there are different categories like smartphones, then we have wearable technologies, then online shopping, flight services, and then personal computer data, music, and vehicles. So everything is connected to a single node. You can see that Internet of Things is a collection of the data obtained from these different kind of applications. So application varies from the smartphone, music, personal computer, home appliance, anything. So data is obtained from these domains, and it is collected at the same cloud platform, and the communication is done through the this internet.